Seamless multi-cloud connectivity, a case study of AWS and GCP integration with Terraform. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction. In today's rapidly evolving cloud landscape, multi-cloud strategies are becoming increasingly popular for enterprises seeking to maximize flexibility, reduce vendor lock-in, and optimize costs. This podcast delves into a real-world scenario of connecting private environments in AWS and GCP using Terraform. We'll explore the strategic planning, account setup, and environment configuration that laid the foundation for success and discuss the challenges encountered. Strategic planning, the foundation of successful cloud integration. Strategic planning is the cornerstone of any successful cloud integration project. In this case, the primary goal was establishing a secure, private interconnection between AWS and GCP, enabling seamless data flow and workload distribution across both platforms. The planning phase involved detailed assessments of the current infrastructure, understanding business requirements, and setting clear objectives for the integration. Key considerations included security, compliance, scalability, and cost efficiency. Preparing the ground. Account setup and environment configuration. Proper account setup and environment configuration were essential before the technical implementation. AWS and GCP environments were meticulously prepared to ensure a smooth deployment process. This included setting up dedicated accounts for the project, configuring virtual private clouds, VPCs, and ensuring that necessary permissions were granted. Network architecture was designed to support the required connectivity while following security best practices. Selecting the right tool, why Terraform was the optimal choice. When selecting the right tool for managing the multi-cloud infrastructure, Terraform stood out as the optimal choice. Terraform's declarative syntax, robust support for AWS and GCP, and ability to manage infrastructure as code, IAC, made it the perfect fit for this project. Terraform allowed for consistent and repeatable deployments across both cloud platforms, simplifying the complex task of managing resources in a multi-cloud environment. Infrastructure as Code, IAC, building blocks for automated deployment. Infrastructure as Code, IAC, played a pivotal role in the project, providing a structured approach to defining and managing the infrastructure. Terraform codified every aspect of the infrastructure, from VPCs and subnets to interconnects and routing tables. This enabled version control and ensured that infrastructure changes were tracked, auditable, and easily replicable across different environments. Automating deployment, Terraform's role in streamlining the process. Automation was vital to achieving efficiency and consistency in the deployment process. Terraform's powerful orchestration capabilities enabled the automation of infrastructure provisioning, reducing the time and effort required to deploy resources across AWS and GCP. Automated scripts were created to manage the deployment process, ensuring that all configurations were applied uniformly, reducing the risk of human error, and speeding up the overall deployment timeline. Ensuring success, rigorous testing and validation protocols. Testing and validation were critical components of the project. Rigorous protocols were established to ensure that all aspects of the multi-cloud interconnection were functioning as intended. This included connectivity tests, security assessments, and performance benchmarking. Automated testing tools were integrated into the C/CD pipeline, providing continuous feedback and ensuring that any issues were promptly identified and addressed. Overcoming obstacles, navigating technical challenges and tight timelines. Like any complex project, this multi-cloud integration faced its share of challenges. Technical obstacles included managing network latency, ensuring compatibility between cloud services, and addressing security concerns. The project had to be completed within a tight timeline, requiring efficient time management and prioritization. These challenges were successfully navigated through collaboration, persistence, and the strategic use of Terraform. Key takeaways: Lessons learned for future cloud integration projects. This case study highlighted several key takeaways that can inform future cloud integration projects. First, thorough strategic planning and preparation are essential to laying a solid foundation. Second, choosing the right tools, like Terraform, can significantly streamline the process. Third, automation and rigorous testing are critical for ensuring success. Finally, flexibility and adaptability are crucial when facing unexpected challenges. Embracing automation, the future of multi-cloud connectivity. As the cloud landscape evolves, automation will play an increasingly important role in enabling seamless multi-cloud connectivity. Tools like Terraform lead the way, providing the necessary capabilities to manage complex infrastructures across multiple cloud platforms. Organizations that embrace automation and adopt best practices for multi-cloud integration will be better positioned to achieve their business goals in a rapidly changing environment. Conclusion. The successful implementation of a private multi-cloud interconnection between AWS and GCP using Terraform demonstrates the power of strategic planning, automation, and the right tools. As businesses navigate the complexities of multi-cloud environments, the lessons learned from this project will be invaluable in guiding future efforts. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.